1 to 2 drops of castor oil at night could change everything. Starting with your hormones. Did you know it might also be the key to unlocking a healthier gut, reducing inflammation, and even boosting your immune system? If you're waking up feeling less than refreshed, your body might be trying to tell you something. Let's uncover the surprising ways castor oil could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Reason number 7. Conquer stubborn skin conditions. Are you battling relentless acne, eczema, or psoriasis? If over-the-counter creams and ointments haven't delivered the relief you crave, it might be time to turn to nature's remedy, castor oil. This unassuming oil boasts potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a formidable opponent against a range of skin woes. Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid, the primary fatty acid in castor oil, can significantly reduce inflammation and combat the bacteria responsible for acne breakouts. In fact, a clinical trial found that a gel containing 10% ricinoleic acid was just as effective as benzoyl peroxide, a common acne treatment, in reducing inflammatory lesions. But castor oil's benefits don't stop at acne. Its moisturizing and soothing properties can also alleviate the dryness, itching, and redness associated with eczema and psoriasis. By creating a protective barrier on the skin, castor oil locks in moisture and prevents irritants from triggering flare-ups. So, if you're tired of waging war against stubborn skin conditions, consider adding castor oil to your skincare arsenal. Just a few drops applied topically each night could be the key to achieving the clear, healthy complexion you've always desired. Remember, always perform a patch test before applying castor oil to a larger area, and consult with your dermatologist if you have any concerns. Reason number 6. Soothe aching muscles and joints. Waking up feeling stiff and sore, dreading the day ahead, is not just age catching up. It could be chronic inflammation wreaking havoc on your body. But don't despair. Those 1 or 2 drops of castor oil could be your secret weapon for natural pain relief. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can penetrate deep into tissues, reducing swelling and easing pain. Regularly massaging castor oil onto sore muscles and joints can provide relief from conditions such as arthritis, fibromyalgia, and even menstrual cramps. Aside from its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil also contains high levels of fatty acids that can help nourish and moisturize the skin, promoting healing and reducing scar tissue formation. This makes it an ideal remedy for muscle strains, sprains, and bruises. So instead of reaching for over-the-counter pain relievers or prescription drugs with potential side effects, consider using natural castor oil to soothe your aches and pains. With regular use, you may even notice an improvement in joint mobility and range of motion. Reason number 5. Revitalize your hair and scalp. Is your hair feeling brittle and lackluster? Are you noticing more strands in your brush than usual? Before you resort to expensive treatments and harsh chemicals, consider harnessing the power of castor oil for a natural hair transformation. Castor oil is packed with nutrients essential for hair health, including vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and proteins. These nutrients nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote hair growth by up to 5 times compared to a placebo. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an irritated scalp and prevent dandruff. To use castor oil for your hair, simply warm it up in your hands and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight if possible, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. You'll notice a difference in the softness, shine, and overall health of your hair after just a few uses. You'll be amazed at the results you can achieve with this simple, natural ingredient. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate castor oil into your hair care routine regularly for optimal results. And if you're experiencing significant hair loss or scalp problems, consult with a dermatologist or trichologist to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Reason number 4. Restore gut health. While castor oil is often associated with its laxative properties, its benefits for gut health go far beyond simply relieving constipation. This versatile oil can also help heal and nourish your gut lining, promoting a balanced microbiome and improving overall digestive function. Research suggests that castor oil can stimulate the production of mucus in the intestines, which acts as a protective barrier against harmful toxins and bacteria. This can help reduce inflammation, soothe irritated tissues, and promote healing. In addition, castor oil has been shown to increase the production of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that plays a crucial role in immune function. By boosting your immune system, castor oil can help protect your gut from infections and other harmful invaders. One of the most intriguing aspects of castor oil's gut healing properties is its ability to modulate the gut microbiome. Studies have shown that castor oil can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria while suppressing the growth of harmful bacteria, leading to a more balanced and healthy gut environment. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your gut health, consider incorporating castor oil into your routine. Whether you use it topically as a castor oil pack or ingest it in small doses, this ancient remedy could be the key to unlocking a happier, healthier gut. Never forget, with any natural remedy, it's important to start slowly and listen to your body. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Reason number 3. Support liver detoxification. If you're experiencing unexplained fatigue, skin issues, or digestive problems, it could be a sign that your liver is overburdened. But don't worry, castor oil packs can come to the rescue. Castor oil packs involve applying a warm, oil-soaked cloth to the abdomen, stimulating blood flow and lymphatic drainage in the liver area. This can help improve liver function, enhance detoxification processes, and reduce inflammation. Research has shown that castor oil packs can increase the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. Glutathione helps neutralize harmful free radicals and toxins, protecting liver cells from damage. It also aids in the elimination of these toxins from the body. Means, by using castor oil packs, you can support your liver in its natural detoxification processes. To make a castor oil pack, you'll need some castor oil, a piece of flannel cloth or an old towel, plastic wrap, and a hot water bottle or heating pad. Start by soaking the cloth in warm castor oil and then place it on your abdomen. Cover with plastic wrap and apply heat for 30–60 minutes. It's important to note that castor oil should not be ingested as it can have harmful effects. Additionally, if you are pregnant or have any medical conditions, it is best to consult with your healthcare provider before trying this method. Reason number 2. Strengthen your immune defenses. While castor oil may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of immune support, this versatile oil has a surprising impact on your body's defense mechanisms. Castor oil contains a unique compound called ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to stimulate the lymphatic system, a network of vessels and organs that play a crucial role in immune function. The lymphatic system helps filter toxins, transport immune cells, and fight off infections. It can also increase the production of T11 cells, a type of white blood cell that helps regulate the immune response. By boosting the number of T11 cells, castor oil can help your body better identify and eliminate harmful pathogens. Additionally, castor oil has antimicrobial properties that can help kill off invading bacteria and viruses. This is especially beneficial for the respiratory system as it can help reduce inflammation and clear congestion. To reap the immune-boosting benefits of castor oil, try applying a small amount to your chest or throat before bed. You can also mix it with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and massage onto your lymph nodes for an extra boost. Incorporating castor oil into your overall wellness routine can have a positive impact on your immune system and keep you feeling healthy and strong. Remember to always use high-quality organic castor oil to ensure maximum effectiveness. So next time you're looking for a natural way to support your immune system, consider adding castor oil to your arsenal of remedies. Reason number 1. Enhance brain health. Castor oil isn't just for external use. It can also play a role in nourishing your brain. While research is still ongoing, Some studies suggest that castor oil may have neuroprotective properties, meaning it could help protect brain cells from damage and degeneration. This is thanks to its high concentration of fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy brain function. Aside from potentially protecting brain cells, castor oil may also help improve cognitive function. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, castor oil has been used to improve memory and concentration. This is due to its ability to increase blood circulation and provide nourishment to the brain. To make use of castor oil for brain health, you can consume it orally by mixing a small amount with warm water or juice. You can also try massaging castor oil into your scalp for a soothing and invigorating effect on your brain. Overall, incorporating castor oil into your daily routine may have various benefits for your overall well-being, including supporting your immune system and enhancing brain health. However, as with any supplement, it is always important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding castor oil to your regimen. All in all, this one oil can be a savior for your health. Just use it wisely and reap the many benefits that castor oil has to offer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, a few drops of castor oil could be the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you.